enough, stop. Doing all this before school is way too hectic without the COVID test, which is why I made this. Ta-da! Now this is a device that takes a photo of your COVID test as soon as you're ready and emails your results before you go to school. So in case you're positive and you're going to infect everyone, it'll let you know and then you walk back. You press a button to start it and an LED will turn green. And after 15 minutes, the camera will take a photo and using Python's SMTP_lib module, it will notify your phone by sending an email. And using the 3D printer, I can use CAD, which is Tinkercad, to make a design and use it as a case. The designing process was quite a challenge. I actually had to make around 4 or 5 different prototypes before I got everything perfectly right the way I wanted it. And just like that, I'm good to go.